A5 Japanese beef is the most exclusive and the most exquisite beef. It is known for its legendary buttery texture and umami flavor. This is the top 1% of the 1% of beef, and while cooking it may sound scary, it really isn't. In other videos, we have discussed how to cook an A5 ribeye. This time, we're showing you how to cook a filet mignon. Here's how to cook it. I do not usually eat filet mignon, I find it bland. But this A5 filet mignon is something else, and I think every beef lover in the world should give it a try.